Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kiana with Q Designs. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. To my existing subscribers, welcome back, baby. Fall is around the corner, so I'm going to show you how you can style a console table using different fall decor. If you want me to show you ideas on how you can style fall in to the end. Okay, so the first item right here we're going to be using is this pumpkin. I picked up at Ross. It was $10.99. So I have two of these. So I place this one right here. And then here's the other one. So I put this one on this end. This is just one simple way that you can decorate the console table using orange for the fall. The second way. So I'm going to be using these mean boxes. I picked them up at the gallery. Well, I had them delivered. So this is going to be simple as well. So just got two of these like that. So you can just do that. And then I got these candle holders I picked up at Ross for $14.99. And then these candles was at Ross $5.99. And this is how they look, like fall. So they are pretty. I didn't take the plastic off yet because I'm just showing you how you can style them. And of course I got this pumpkin for $5 probably a year or two ago at Target. And this is how this looks. Just like a little cloak. And I'll just sit that up there. This is the second way. Hopefully you can like that. So that's the second way. So this pumpkin, I believe I paid like $25, and I got this at Big Lots. So I'm going to put this in the center, and it still got a little tag on it. I'll take that off as well. So, and then I have this pumpkin right here. It's gold. So basically, most of the stuff on here probably just mixing it up. So this right here, and then put the other one over here. Okay, so this one is just simple. All right. Okay, so I'm going to show you what else you can add to this to make it look more fuller. Because you can use it myself, the flowers, or I can put some else here. So, one second. So I'm going to reuse this candle and the candle. Let's try those.